let's start by looking at the swivel knife. So this is really, really clever. So we can use this one. I didn't really understand this one until I took a closer look at it. Now, if you see this blade, I just want to show you, I can hold the blade, look, and I can turn the handle. Can you see the blade staying still and the handle turns? This means that I can cut round. Let's say I want to cut a butterfly out. Ooh, my crafting skill, my knife skills aren't as good as some. We can cut out on here, and we can then, I'm going to have to turn it round. We can then, I'm right-handed, cut out like that, and then we can come round. Can you see, this is a very dubious butterfly, but we can then cut round on here, and we can even go back in where we've missed. Now, this is like a triangle, so it sits perfectly in the palm of your hand, and we can pop that back on there. We can go back, go back into the lines. I'm going on new lines now. There we go. But you can see how I've been able to go round circles. I've been able to go round curved edges. There we go. You can see on there. Let's just do one more on here like this. Look, there we go. I can press much harder on there. Take that, and then there we go. And that was our swivel knife.